Okay, so good morning, Mr. Arbi and everyone. Today, in this topic, I will tell you, or we will talk about the best form of transportation in Indonesia. As we know, in Indonesia, there's a lot of traffic in our way. Either it's um, in the morning or in the evening. I think every time in the day in a day in our road, especially in Jakarta, our central city, is really high on traffic. So I think the best form of transportation in Indonesia will be public transportation. um, as you know, we have a lot of public transportation starting from Transjakarta, MRT, LRT, etc. As you can see in the picture right here. But I will explain to you the best form of public transportation in Indonesia from my perspective. It's going to be Transjakarta because personally for me, Transjakarta have their own lane. So actually it's gonna be traffic free for me. But as we know, Indonesian people really like to using the Transjakarta lane. So sometimes the Transjakarta will get a little bit of traffic, but it's fine. And the number two, the second reason, because Transjakarta is really cheap from one point to one point, and then I think for now, the best public transportation in Indonesia will be Transjakarta, for my opinion. Going back, as I told you about the traffic, I will give you the comparison with the public transportation, Transjakarta, and the private transportation. As you can see right here, the Transjakarta have their own lane, and beside Transjakarta, there's a heavy traffic there. But as you can see, the Transjakarta road is really empty. Is especially just for Transjakarta. So I think that's why I picked Transjakarta. So for me, the conclusion is I think the best form of transportation right now in Indonesia is going to be public transportation because we are Indonesia and we have a lot of people in our country. And then why Transjakarta? Because the number one is cheap. I think the last time I used it, it was around 3,500 rupiah. I think it's around 0.3 cents, $0.3. And then the second one is Transjakarta have a special road because in our road there's a special one line in Indonesia to specialize for Transjakarta. If our Indonesian people really using the law correctly, no one with private transportation will use the Transjakarta road. So it's if that's happen, the Transjakarta will be 100% traffic free. Yeah, I think that's all from me. The conclusion for our topic this time about the best form of transportation in Indonesia. That's all from me. Thank you.